Hello, ENG 210 students. I'm Dr. Green, and I'm here to talk to you about the project, the Dream Library project for ENG 210. And our hope is that there's so many rich texts out there for children to read and for teachers to share with them that building this Dream Library will hopefully someday come to life in your own classroom. Also of note, some schools and districts, not all, but some, actually provide a small, modest stipend for teachers to add resources to their classroom. So, in a lot of ways, you're doing legwork now that could potentially pay off later. And then you add your classmates' Dream Libraries, and you have a whole ton of great resources to work with. But let me talk about the project a little bit. So, starting in week 2 is whenever you're going to start creating bibliographies for the different texts that you're going to add to your class. And what does that mean? So overall, you're going to review 30 books throughout the entire term. That sounds like a lot, but they're children's books, and we're early childhood educators, so they should be fairly quick reads. But you're expected to fill out bibliographic information on 15 of those books. Um, and the link right here is to this, and it's a bibliographic information sheet. And as you can see, it's fairly simple. It should not take you long, where you put the title um, and all the information about the text. And then the instructor asked for an APA reference format. There's a resource for free called citationmachine.net. It really helps you with APA formatting. If you use that, it's a free resource. I've used it for years. It's great. That could help you out a lot if you kind of, have different books and you need that APA format. And then also selecting what genre, what type of book is it. You want to include that in here so you have that information so when you organize your classroom library, you know where to put it. In week or module 1 of our course, we share a genre identification sheet. So it explains the different genres of text and how to identify those. But you're going to complete this throughout the term. And as you can see, I put 15 of these. So you're going to fill this out, and then you're just going to submit this document to your teacher. Okay, so back to what else you have to do. So each week, and and this is only one per week, so that's modules 2 through 8. You're going to have to write a review, much like a Yelp review if you're familiar with that, and you answer these questions. So this is the same information you find for your book, meaning the author, year, publication, title, the genre, but this is a little different because you're going to discuss what you think is interesting about the book, anything noteworthy, and why do you think children will like the book? You want to think about those things before you actually introduce the book to children, especially if you're going to read aloud, which our course talks a lot about. But again, those are the 2 areas of this project, and the hope is to keep it fairly simple, fill the bibliographic information, respond to the reviews, and you will have a nice little addition to your teaching tool bag. So thank you guys.